As far as Doge support floor, it sort of is currently $0.056 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin cost examination in a real sense is bullish today in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin especially has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, which basically is genuinely huge. Doge falls 7.42% in 7 days, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. 25 November 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually by and large got clarification on some things, facts, what for the most part is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, basically is Doge a truly wise speculation, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how 25 November 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these regularly, generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is truly transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. In a real sense is Doge a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Doge specialized investigation, especially let us generally discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, or so they truly thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,433,698,568,583 in an especially significant manner. The really complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $46,102,746,854 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally is genuinely huge. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01% in a really significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value decline of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, which essentially shows that market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,433,698,568,583. Or so they in every practical sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 0.1 and right now exchanging at 62 cents in a very enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is genuinely huge. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a sort of descending heading for commonly present moment in every way that really matters, further appearance how moreover. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, a really broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically shows that these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market especially is going in an especially descending heading for most certainly present moment, pretty further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a by and large significant way. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, for the most part further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which by and large is genuinely critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers sort of become genuinely more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which vendors especially become move sort of dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part is very critical. Following in every way that really matters are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution, The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, sort of is at $0.078, up 0.97% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and essentially has a value change of 7.42% over the course of the week, so yet prior to plunging profound into the Doge specialized examination, in every way that really matters. Let us in a real sense discuss the kind of current economic situations, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 355,074,145.00 United States dollars, while sort of all out, market cap came to $11,117,704,631 United States dollars. Showing how following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, especially is at $0.078, up 0.97% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 7.42% throughout the week, so yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Doge specialized examination. Essentially, let us explicitly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, really in spite of mainstream thinking. There in a real sense are practically 141,973,936,384 in a real sense are available for use out of 141,973,936,384. Exhibiting that Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, especially further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 25 November 2023, inside a very day-to-day time period, certainly made sense of beneath, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of significant way. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every way that really matters, normal, EMA, too in every practical sense. Dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, so 25 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for the following week and basically attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified pressing issues, facts, what especially is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, is Doge a fundamentally wise speculation? Or so they certainly thought. While Doge's Williams %R marker especially is at 58.383 for the 14-day